Donations are important because they are an investment in our community, in our education, and in our future leaders.
Entrepreneurship and small business is the foundation for our economy, both here in Phoenix and Arizona, but the nation. And so being able to support those entrepreneurs who are out innovating and building businesses and hiring people and growing the economy is really important. And so by helping us, we're able to allow many more businesses to be formed every year than would otherwise be formed, because we can do it at such a low cost that people who would otherwise not be able to move their business forward can.
Oftentimes, the capacity that we have to work on certain issues is limited by the time that we have in the classroom. And that is one of the biggest issues that we confront in our work. Donations help us provide that coverage during the summer. It might even allow us to hire students who can work during the summer on those cases.
I think the more support we get from the public, it just has a blossoming effect where when you get attention, then you can create more cases that get more attention and bring in more donations, and it just expands your reach every time somebody notices you. So it's nice to have that kind of reaction in the community, and then just slowly builds our practice and expands our voice and our presence. So every little bit counts.
At ASU Law's post-conviction clinic, we help uncover the truth, challenge unfair sentencing, and give people a real chance to be heard. And that's sometimes for the first time ever. People's support helps fund this fight through legal research, expert testimony, forensic testing, and student-led advocacy. It helps correct injustices, reduce excessive sentences, and rebuild lives. So whether someone is innocent or simply overpunished, justice demands we take a second look, and fairness shouldn't depend on luck, wealth, or a zip code.